Hi friends, now we have a Dell Pro laptop, the box piece laptop it is. Now we are going to unbox it. This is the bag. Yes, now we have a Dell laptop it is 15.6. This is the Dell Pro laptop it is. The model is, I will once again. In this laptop, there is the model is Dell latitude 3550, and also in this laptop we got a adapter here. This is the adapter and power cable. Okay, now we are going to switch on the laptop. This is the Dell 65 watts adapter. It is 3-pin charger. In this laptop, there is a one HDMI port, one USB port, one C-pin charger audio. In this laptop, there are two adapters we can use. One C-pin charger and one is a normal pin. And here there are two USB ports and one LAN port. Yes, now we switch on the laptop. By default, there is a Ubuntu operating system is there in this laptop. I don't want this settings because we are going to install a Windows here. Okay. And also in this laptop, I will show you the specification in this laptop. wrap up.